Fire in the belly to me means not only to set expectations, but to also set goals. We get our teammates excited about the work that we do by creating challenging and profitable opportunities, going out into the field and congratulating them on a job well done and recognizing them when they do accomplish their goals. Our teammates, of course, have a fire in their belly. They want to succeed just as much as we want to succeed, and they want to be recognized and looked at as a high-performance teammate. I try to push my values and ideals down to the other teammates that I work with, try to instill my work ethic into them, and if I can see room for improvement that they can make, I try to make those suggestions and make that happen. Values that I hold that help make the Las Vegas operation a success would be always performing for the customer, never letting them down, always doing everything that we possibly can. Getting our customers excited about Team Fishel is mainly about performing the highest possible level that we can and really allowing them to see that and compare it to other contractors that they've worked with and say, wow, Team Fishel really is the best choice.